Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe on how to make aspic jelly using pork skin. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. Add the pork skin in the wok and pour some cooking wine. Cook the pork skin for about 10 minutes. Soak the skin in cold water. Trim off the fat tissue. Cut the skin into shreds. Add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon baking soda. Hand rub the skin shred first. Then thoroughly wash the material until the water becomes clear. Add the skin and the water into the wok at the ratio of 1 part of skin to 3 parts of water. Add ginger, scallion, skim off the scum and cook for 10 minutes. Remove the ginger and scallion. Set up a slow cooker at a low temperature and cook for 9 hours. This is what it looks after 9 hours cooking. Prepare some broccoli and the carrot. You will need an egg and the extra yolk. Briefly cook the broccoli and carrot in boiling water. Separate the skin from the liquid. Slowly pour the egg into the liquid. Pour the liquid into a container. Add the veggie into the container. Leave the container in the fridge for a couple hours. For sauce, need garlic, scallion, and sesame seed. Add soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil. Now the aspic jelly is ready to be served. This is the aspic jelly made from pork skin. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support will help this channel to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.